Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Zoom client and remove local recordings folder, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Zoom client, begin by locating the Zoom application on your device. If you are using Windows, click on the Start menu. Type Control Panel into the search bar and select it from the results. In the Control Panel, find and click on Programs. Next, select Programs and Features. Scroll through the list then, select the Uninstall option at the top of the list. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. For Mac users, start by opening the Finder. In the Finder menu, click on Applications. Locate the Zoom application in the Applications folder. Once found, drag the Zoom icon to the trash. Right-click on the trash bin and select Empty Trash to permanently remove the application. Next, to remove any local recordings, navigate to your File Explorer or Finder again. For Windows, go to your Documents folder. Open the Zoom folder, which should contain your local recordings. Select the recordings you want to delete and right-click to choose Delete. For Mac, open Finder and go to your Documents folder. Find the Zoom folder and open it. Delete any recordings you no longer need by dragging them to the trash. Finally, ensure that both the Zoom application and local recordings are completely removed from your system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.